Greetings, guys. My name is Shubham. I am a civil engineer by qualifications and currently working as shift manager in one of the construction giant in UK. Uh, I have been working for 10 years now and was looking to polish my skills. So first of all, I wanted to start with AutoCAD. For that, I came in contact with CADD Centre Bareilly, Rampur Garden, and the point of contact was Mr. Amrish. Uh, the best thing I liked about Mr. Amrish and AutoCAD Centre, the CAD Centre Bareilly, was the way they managed people and the way they were up for teaching the students. Uh, they they really went out of their way to make the people understand, not in a bad way but in a good way, to make the people understand and look forward to it. They were available every time and was giving their best to make the person understand. They were not reluctant. What I liked the most was the way Mr. Amrish taught me and gave me the classes, and whenever I was seeing him, he was teaching other people as well. It was so simple that it was always for you, that you think that you should get into it and start learning as well. So that really excited me and got me running through the course like without any hesitation. I would surely recommend CAD Center Bareilly Rampur Garden as a must go and learning center for all the CAD AutoCAD. Thank you.